So what's up guys? Good afternoon, good high noon, and another day and another vlog. And what a great day because the computer in our living room is busted. Yeah! What's up? Amigos, amigas, YouTubers, subscribers, and non-subscribers. It's another day, okay? And I'm on the road again. I'm always on the road when doing a vlog. It's kinda dangerous thing, I think. What else? I have to fill a gas first. This is my first time to pass over here because I'm going back there. I mean SRP. So yeah. Whoa. What the? Okay. Oh yeah. Now going back to Seaside. Our computer in our living room is busted. When I check the CPU, I noticed that the capacitor of the motherboard is leaking, so meaning it's busted. So you cannot fix the capacitor on the motherboard. I have tried that already and I failed. Okay, because I'm not really a technician about motherboards. Okay, I just make a computer as just assembled but not a repaired thing on a motherboard. Okay, I will go to my client's office in IT Park because they are selling their old computers. They dispose their old stuff, so including computers, CPU. So I might get something there because I'm looking a motherboard because that's what I said. Our computer in the living room is busted. The motherboard is busted. Hopefully I can find one, or if the price is right, maybe I will buy the whole CPU. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so I will find the cheapest CPU that they will gonna dispose. Okay, so wish me luck guys because I really need another computer in our sala. I'm not looking gaming computer. Just a basic computer that can surf the web, that can watch movies, also play game. No video inside. Cannot vlog inside the office because it's the company policy. Okay, even cell phones they will not allow to their employees to use their cell phones inside the office premises. It's a bummer. Anyway, it's okay, no problem. I have no problem with that. Oh, so the computer is here, the CPU. So I got this for 2,000 pesos. And there's a good news and a bad news. The good news is the power supply is working. And then the memory, I test it using memtest. There's no error. And the motherboard, I think it's okay because their LED lights are lighting and there are no capacitor is leaking. The bad news is when I turn it on, there's no display. So I've encountered a lot of this kind of problem. Okay. All I do is I reset the CMOS using a jumper or there's a reset button. It depends on the motherboard, okay? So unfortunately, when I check this motherboard, it's an AMD EMAX, I forget the model, and there's no reset button. I don't know because I'm lazy to check on the board. All I do is I remove the CMOS battery and remove the power cable that connects to the motherboard from the power supply and leave it for at least 30 minutes. And when I put it back and it posts, so That's a good news. Okay, so now I will show you guys the CPU. Okay, so I will show you. I just bought this for 2,000 pesos. Okay, and yeah, check it out. So here it is. It's an AMD A6 APU 3500. It has 4 gigs of memory. And look at that power supply. I know it's a generic power supply, but I have no problems with that. Okay. Before I forget, also the onboard graphics, I mean onboard LAN is busted, and luckily I have a spare LAN. It's not a gigabit LAN, but it's okay. It's a 10100 LAN card, and yeah, it's working now. I already installed Windows 7. I reformat this computer, and I can surf the web. I can play games, not that heavy games. Okay, so I can play movies. But now when I turn it on, it says there's no operating system found. 100% that this hard drive has bad sector. I thought it's just a minor bad sector, but when I check it, look at this. Oh my golly. Look at that. It has 20 bad sectors found, and bad sectors recovered 20. So there are plenty bad sectors. That's why it always hung, and sometimes when I restart this computer, it says there's no OS found. So this is the reason. So another problem. So I have to find a replacement for this hard drive, because there are lots of bad sectors. So at least it's a-okay. I just replace the LAN card and do CMOS restart, and now it works. I have 4 gig of RAM, AMD A6 3500 CPU, that's APU, yeah, from AMD. So now, okay, don't mind the cable. Okay, I know it's so messy. I have to do cable management after I installed the replacement hard drive. Okay, so and now it's time to find a hard drive. Maybe I have a spare one. So okay, I will check. So guys, I have only two hard drive. Okay, this is a Samsung. I think it's a 1 terabyte, and a Seagate also 1 terabyte. But I cannot use these hard drives. Okay, I use this for my backup using this. I just put the hard drive here and connect it to my desktop using a USB 3.0. So I cannot use these hard drives. Okay, because this hard drive, I think it's almost 80% filled, and this is 70%. So I cannot back up this and put it here. It will not fit for sure. Okay, so I cannot use this, guys. So I found this. I have this other external hard drive. It's a 320 Western Digital. This is still okay. The hard drive is still okay. I don't see any errors in HD Sentinel. The only problem of this external hard drive is this enclosure. I think the problem is this USB. There's no way to detect this on my desktop, so I might remove this hard drive. This is a 2.5 hard drive. It's a hard drive for a laptop. So I'm gonna remove this, and hopefully I can install this on my desktop. So I will remove the hard drive now, and we'll see. Okay, check this out. Do you know what it is? Look at. Maybe you have an idea if I will show you something. Attack origins. Okay. Attack types, SSH, MSQL, blah blah blah. Attack targets. This is the countries, and live attacks. This is the target IP, and so on and so forth. So look at that. This is from China, right? and they attack going to the US. This is US map. This is live, okay? You can monitor this so that you have an idea how the cybercrime is always doing their work. Oh my god, that's crazy. Okay, that's freaking crazy. So let's go back and remove this hard drive, and I will install this. Oh my god, I cannot use this. Look at that. So guys, as you can see here, I cannot use this. I cannot connect this on the desktop. Look at this. I'll remove. It's no way I can use this on the desktop. There's no way I can use it. So I have to find another hard drive. Maybe I will check online. There's a used hard drives, but be careful of buying used hard drives online. Okay, if you buy a hard drive online, make sure you have to check that using HD Sentinel software, so that at least you will know if the health percent, if there's bad sector or things like that. Okay, so I don't know how to use this because I cannot use this on the desktop. Maybe I will try to repair this and connect this again to my desktop. I will try to connect this again on the USB. So let's see. Okay, so sayang, cannot use this. Okay, so